Pull up a chair, lad. Let's talk about something close to our hearts. The perfect chocolate chip cookie. Not just any cookie, the kind that's soft in the middle, gently chewy, and can turn a gloomy day into a grand one. Our quest began on a blustery afternoon, with the wind howling and a craving for comfort. Tea was good, but we needed something more. A treat, worthy of the occasion. That's when inspiration struck. We'd create the most stupendously soft and chewy chocolate chip cookie known to man. The kitchen became our laboratory. Flour in the air, vanilla scent everywhere. Every ingredient mattered, every step was crucial. We weren't just baking, we were crafting discs of happiness. Cookies seem simple, flour, sugar, chocolate, but getting them just right is an art. The perfect balance of soft and chewy is a delightful puzzle. So, aprons on! We're about to uncover the secrets to cookie perfection. Stick with us for a grand trip into the world of baking. Let's get cracking. Every great cookie starts with the right ingredients. First, real butter, melted for extra chewiness and a fudgy texture. Next, sugars, brown for moisture and chew, white for crisp edges, and spread. Don't forget an extra egg yolk for richness and tenderness. It's a simple tweak that makes a world of difference. For flour, all-purpose does the trick. No need for anything fancy. And the chocolate? A mix of chips and chunks gives you gooey puddles and perfect bites. Each ingredient plays a role in the final masterpiece. Gather your cast of characters, and you're halfway to greatness. The right ingredients are the foundation of cookie perfection. Ready? Let's move on to the science behind the magic. Why do these tricks work? It's all chemistry. Melted butter coats flour, limiting gluten and making cookies chewier. Brown sugar holds moisture for softness. White sugar helps cookies spread. That extra egg yolk? It binds everything and adds richness. Chilling the dough is key, solidifies fats, melds flavors, and keeps cookies thick and soft. Patience pays off. Chilled dough means better cookies. Every step, from mixing to chilling, is a scientific nudge toward perfection. Baking is as much about science as it is about taste. Now let's get to the tricks that make your cookies truly stand out. Here are the pro tips for next-level cookies. Don't overmix after adding flour, just until combined for a tender crumb. Be generous with vanilla. It deepens every flavor. Use an ice cream scoop for even, thick cookies that bake perfectly. Press a few extra chocolate chips on top before baking for that bakery look. Most important, don't overbake. Pull cookies when edges are set but centers are still soft. They'll finish cooking on the tray, staying gooey inside. Let them rest before moving to a rack. These small details make all the difference. Treat your dough with care, and you'll be rewarded. Ready for the best part? Let's taste the results. And there it is, the kitchen filled with the aroma of fresh cookies. Each golden disc is a blend of science, art, and a bit of love. The first bite warm, gooey chocolate, crisp edges, and a soft, chewy center. It's more than a cookie. It's a moment of pure happiness. Baking is about sharing joy, experimenting, and making memories. Even imperfect cookies are delicious adventures. So, gather your ingredients and start your own cookie quest. Now, if you'll excuse us, these cookies and a cup of tea are calling our name.